Okay, let's click on the Forms button in the object bar and click New and Form Wizard, and click the Choose the Table or Query drop arrow and select Table Computers and OK. Now select CPU speed in the available fields and click the Move Over button. Now let's click the Move Back button. Now the Move Everything button, and then Next. Now let's select each of those four to see what the differences are, and then we'll select Columnar, and then Next, and then we'll select Blends. We'll look at some of the different ones, but for this exercise we'll select Blends and Next, and then let's use Form Computers, FRM Computers, as the name, and Finish. And there we have it. Let's click the Next Record button, see how this works, and then the Last Record button, and then if we wanted to add one we can click the New Record button. Now let's close the form. Now if we double click on it we can reopen it, and click the View button to go into design mode, and we might want to maximize that window. We can move the toolbox around if it gets in the way by dragging it. Click the CPU speed label and press the delete key. Now we can click the undo button to bring it back. Select the company, the text box for company, and press the delete key, and you'll see that oh, well, let's not select the word, let's click off of it and reselect it so that we select the box itself. There we go. And hit the delete key and the label and the text box goes. Click undo and we get it back again. Now select the label for reference and click on the move handle, and we can drag it across to the other side of the text box. And clicking undo will send it straight back again. Select the company text box and let's enlarge that. Let's resize it so we've got room for the full name. Then select the label for CPU speed and click the Properties button, and let's change the caption text there so that it actually reads speed, CPU speed, rather than CPU spud. And enter, and scroll down and double click on the font underline box to change it to yes, or we could use the drop arrow and select yes. Now let's close that properties box, and let's open the form header. Actually, I'm showing that you can also open the form footer, but we'll do that sort of thing later. Let's open the form header by selecting the line between them and dragging it down. And now click the toolbox button. If the toolbox wasn't visible, we can turn it off and turn it on by using the toolbox button. And then click the label tool, and then click in the form header section, and let's type computer information form, and then press enter. Now click the font size drop down arrow and select 18 as the size, and now we can't see it, so let's go to the format menu and select size and select to fit. And there we are. Now let's select the font 4 color drop arrow, and let's select, oh, yellow doesn't work very well, so let's select red. That looks better. Okay, now let's click the view button to see what the form looks like. And now we can close the form, and yes, we want to save it.